What's poppin', sneaker fam? Well, it's official. Air Max Day 2025 is here. Now, you know your boy loves some Air Maxes, so I cooked up a short film just to celebrate. Let me know in the comments how you like it. If you don't, it's cool. I'll be back next year to do another one. It's your boy Esquatch. You know that feeling when you lace up a pair of Air Maxes? It's more than just putting on shoes. It's slipping into something iconic. From the streets to the courts, from the everyday hustle to those special moments. Air Max has been there. A symbol of self-expression, a badge of belonging. It's not just about the shoes. It's about the stories they tell. The miles walked, the dreams chased, the memories made. Each scuff, each crease is a testament to their journey. Air Max, it's more than just a shoe. It's a culture. It's a community. It's a feeling. Air Max Day. Celebrate the legacy. Step into the next chapter.